Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm here to introduce myself in front of you. It's my new YouTube channel, and through this channel I will teach you all the subjects of 11th and 12th commerce. So, it's my first video. Hope you all like, share and subscribe it. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get more such videos. So today I'm going to teach you secretarial practice of 12th standard. Chapter 1, Introduction to Corporate Finance. So let us understand what is finance. The term finance is related to money and money management. Money, that is capital that we have invested in our business, and using that money in various resources effectively and generating funds from it and making profit is called finance. Second point, it is related to inflow and outflow of money. When we sell goods or purchase goods, we pay and receive money, that is inflow and outflow of money. Success of any business organization depends upon the efficiency with which it is able to generate and use funds. Success of business is dependent upon the funds generated from the capital, that is profit. If by using funds we can generate more profit, then the business is successful, and if not, then vice versa. Third point, according to Henry Ford, money is an arm or leg, use it or lose it. This statement clearly brings about the significance of finance for the success of business, as our arm or leg are very important part of our body. So money is an important part of business. If we don't use arm or leg, we will lose it. Likewise, if we don't use money, then we will lose money, as it will get finished or will not able to generate profit from it. So now we will study every topic in question and answer method, so we can easily write it in our exam. In every short note we will write meaning and definition of that short note, and then we will come to the main point. Meaning, corporate finance deals with raising and using finance by a corporation. It deals with financing the activities of corporation, capital structure and making investment decisions. As I already explained what is finance, same is corporate finance. Definition: according to Henry Hogaland, corporate finance deals with primarily with the acquisition and using of capital by business corporation. Corporate finance, simply it means the money invested in business and using that money in business operation and generating funds from it. You can refer this note. I have made it more easy for you. I will not read each and every topic. I will just explain the topic. Importance: helps in decision making. Corporate finance helps in taking important decisions easily and effectively. It helps us to select the best option from where we can generate more capital or more profit. Second point, helps in raising capital for a project. So, corporate finance helps us to decide what amount should we invest or from where we can raise capital. As we have already learned in 11th and 12th about shares and debentures, loans and bonds. It helps us to find the best source to raise capital for our business according to various factors like size, nature, etc. of our business. Helps in research and development. For execution or implementation of a plan of new project, we need to do research in market about demand and supply of that product. Then we can simultaneously make necessary development in our product. Research and development requires huge fund. Many a time the company also need to upgrade its existing product to attract new customer, so for that it needs to analyze market that survey, which again requires financial support. Fourth point, helps in smooth running of business firm. Corporate finance also helps in smooth functioning of business firm by providing salary to staff on time, clearing loans on time, purchasing raw material whenever required, sales promotion, and launching new products effectively. Fifth point, brings coordination between various activities. Corporate finance helps to bring coordination between various activities in organization. For example, production will suffer if finance department does not provide accurate finance for purchase of raw material and meeting other day-to-day finance requirements for smooth functioning of production unit. Due to this, sales will also suffer and consequently the income of concern as well as rate of profit will be affected. Promotes expansion and diversification. Company cannot survive in the market for the long time if it does not adopt modern machine and modern techniques. So, to be in the market, therefore, finance become mandatory for expansion and diversification of a company. Managing risk. Company has to manage several risks. Risk is equal to business. Means if we operate business, we have to deal with the risk. So, corporate finance help us to manage risk. Risks such as fall in sale, loss due to natural calamities, loss due to strike, etc. So, it needs finance to manage such risk. Replace old assets. As I previously said, we need to be updated and need to replace our old assets like machines to get new ones benefit. Ninth, payment of dividend and interest. Corporate finance help us to calculate the payment of dividend to shareholder, interest to creditors, banks, etc. and pay them on time so that the investor will happy and be loyal. Payment of tax fees. Payment of tax fees. For a payment of tax fees, finance will require to calculate. You guys, so now I end today's video. Hope you liked and understood it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me your doubts in comment section and share this video to your friends. I will be back soon with new video. Till that, stay tuned.